Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Lenovo earbuds with your Android phone. First of all, you have to remember to charge them. At the bottom you can find input for your micro USB cable. Next, we can open the case and take them out of it. So when you take a look right here on the indicators, as you can see, they are blinking, and right now only the left one is blinking. So it means that they are synchronized, they are connected together, and the pairing mode is automatically turned on. Another step, we have to just simply go to the settings. We have to go for the Bluetooth devices, and we have to go to pair new device. Right now, as you can see, there appears on available devices list. Let me just catch focus on the screen. Okay, so we have to select our HT30 and then accept the pairing request that will pop on your screen. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected with the Lenovo HT30 and our Android phone. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.